Hello everyone, we are going to perform TPO activity which is introduction video. So let's start. My name is Thorat. I completed my SSC from Navbharat Vidyalaya Valki, HSC from Anna Sahib Magar College Hadappsar. I am currently pursuing third year BTech in Government College of Engineering Karad. I done three projects which is mostly in a web development. First one is a COVID blog which is in this project user can share their blog how they recover from COVID. Second one is a reusable academic material shopping website. In this project, student can sell their used academic material, also use a PayPal payment gateway. And third one is electricity billing system. This project mainly focuses on calculation of a unit, and technology uses Java Swing. And I am interested in competitive programming and Coco. That's about myself. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Chinmay Raut. I have completed my SSC from Mount Carmel Convent School, Katol. I have completed my HSC from Navira Mahavidyalaya, Katol, and I am currently studying in third year Information Technology branch at Government College of Engineering, Karad. My main interest is in web development, in which I know languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and libraries like Bootstrap and jQuery. I am currently studying about full stack approach of web development. I also know programming in Python, and my hobby is exploring computers, and I also like playing football. That's about myself. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Kharat. I am from Buldana. I have completed my SSC from Shivaji High School, Delgo Raja, and I have completed my HSC from Siddharth Junior College, Jafrabad. Right now, I am pursuing in Government College of Engineering, Karad, in BTech third year, Information Technology branch. In recent semester, I have done one mini project that is Android-based application. This application name is No Food Waste. This application helps to poor people and needy people. My goal is after completing my graduation to become a class 1 officer. My hobbies is playing carom. Thank you all to give me this opportunity for giving me my introduction. Thank you.
Hello everyone, it's my pleasure to introduce me with you all. My name is Manoj Aladwar, and basically I belong to Nanded. I have done my HSC and SSC from Indira Gandhi High School, Sidco Nanded, and currently a third year undergraduate student from Government College of Engineering, Karad, pursuing in information technology branch. So I have interested in a technology and technology. So that's why I have choose to pursue degree in the information technology, and I love to do programming. My strong points are the web development, DSA, data science, Docker, Kubernetes, and OpenShift. I have done some of the projects in my curriculum, such that money management system using the web development, and donation website by using the payment integration gateway of a PayPal, and by using the Red Hat Linux and Docker and multiple in, so integrating multiple technologies. I have created a basic operating system. Yeah, in my curriculum, I have joined the various workshop and the programs, and I have part of a volunteer for a National Engineering Olympiad. And I have various hobbies, and I like to go out with the friends, and I love to play cricket. My hobbies include reading books, listening music, singing. So that's all about me. Thank you all.
My name is Ramesh. I was born and raised in Kolhapur. Now coming to my education qualification, I am pursuing a BTech third year in Information Technology from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have done my intermediate in Maharani Radhabai College, and I have done my SSC in SJ High School. I am self-motivated, hardworking, and believe in destiny. I try to find happiness in any work. I known languages are Marathi, Hindi, and English. My hobbies are playing kabaddi, cricket, and swimming. My goal is to be a part of our Indian Armed Forces. That's all about me. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Myself, first of all, I would like to thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Praveen Pawar. Uh, I'm pursuing my BTech in Information Technology from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have done my intermediate from Savitribai Phule Madhyamik Vidyalaya and high school from Savitribai Phule Junior College. My uh, my strengths are being hardworking and easily adaptable to any kind of environment. My short-term goal is to become get a job in a reputable company, and my long-term goal is to uh, become a responsible and knowledgeable personality. And my hobbies are watching sci-fi movies and traveling. That's all about me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Suyesh Uday Shetty. I have completed my 10th from New English School Aitwada Budruk and 12th from Sri Balaji Madhyamik Vidyalaya and Junior College Ichalkaranji. And now I am currently pursuing my BTech in Government College of Engineering Karad. Programming languages known to me are C, C++, Java, Python, and I am good at problem solving and data structures and algorithm. I have done 2 training sessions which are based on Python with IoT and Python with data science. I have done a project which is based on machine learning. The name of the project is stress detection using real-time monitoring, which helps the IT professionals who spends their lots of time in front of the laptop or computer, which detects the stress level in real time. And along with studies, my hobbies are playing cricket and reading Quran. Thank you.
My name is Mayurendra Moite. I am currently pursuing my BTech Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my 10th from New Horizon Public School, which is located in Panvel. I have completed my 12th from Tatasai Musai College from Ichal Karachi. My hobbies are to play football and to watch movies. Also, I am currently doing competitive coding. That's all.
Hello, good morning everyone. I am Mohan Patil and I am come from Kolhapur. After completing my SSC and SSC with 97 and 75% respectively. Currently I am in third year pursuing BTech in Information Technology from Government College of Engineering Karad. As I am very much interested in the field of data science and machine learning and also in development, previously I have completed my industrial training and internship in the field of data science and Internet of Things with certifications. And as a part of academics and as per my interest, I have completed various projects such as fake news detector and some web clones like shopping website which solves actually real life problems. I am pretty much compatible in programming languages such like C++, Java, Python, in which I have implemented data structures and solved multiple programming questions to enhance my problem solving skills. As per my coursework, also I have good knowledge of database management system in that is SQL and operating systems, and I have experience in web technologies like HTML, CSS, and front-end framework React.js and backend framework Node.js, in which I am very much fluent for web development. I am self-motivated, focused, and hardworking person. Personally, I like to work with team. So, in my free time, I enjoy reading about artificial intelligence, technology, and robotics. And also, I like to apply my problem solving and analytical skills in software development since I thought I should apply to this development role. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshal Late. I am currently pursuing third year BTech in Information Technology from Government College of Engineering, Karad, and my current CGPA is 7.5. Information technology present in every field, hence I am investing last 3 years for developing my technical skills. My technical skills include programming in C++, Python, JavaScript, and databases. I am also familiar with computer network DBMS operating system and web development. I have built some projects using these skills. First is chat application using HTML, CSS, and Node.js. And also another project in stock prediction using machine learning. And other small project using HTML and CSS. My hobbies are listening to music and playing cricket. That's all about myself. Thank you.